The next campaign stop will be that same politician at a prison, surrounded by inmates, logically, of course, my friends, and he's teaching the inmates of the prison how to be of service to humanity. The ethics and the principles of permaculture are freaking amazing. Why? Because permaculture mimics nature, God's design. Permaculture is simply modeling after what already has been proven to work in a natural system. So the politician, and I've got my favorites in my mind, is in the prison system, inmates all around, and speaking to the world and through the inmates. This is how you create all of your own food. And this, by the way, is an opportunity for if and when you get out of prison, you will have a skill that you can use to help create freedom and abundance for our world. Can you imagine that? And guess what? It's already been done. Not the whole picture that I'm describing now, but there have been gardening programs in California, and the recidivism rate, the reincarceration rate, the rate of prisoners getting out of prison and then committing another felony and going back to prison went from over 60% in one study to under 10% after 3 years of a gardening program. I'm going to pause there for a second. That's the end for the most part. And I mean that literally for the most part, meaning more than 50%. That's the end of crime. So the politician can make the claim, I'm going to end crime by way more than 50% over the next 4 years by implementing these programs in all prisons, using the same resources that are currently being used by us, the taxpayer. And by the way, this one program saved the California taxpayer $40 million. It works. It's a proven fact that it works. It's not a hypothetical. It's a fact. It's demonstratable, and it has been demonstrated. That one thing, if the Nobel Prize were legit, would win the Nobel Prize. Imagine the school, the prison. Now I'm going to stop and pause and get to the next one.